Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do Python. So Python is, I'm going to be using Replit. Python is an easy to use software, one of the easiest coding languages. So I'm going to be teaching, first of all, some simples. So first of all, to print, you can just write print and then parentheses. Quotation marks, and then you can write, this is the console right here. Move that bigger. We can print hello. Okay, and right here it'll print hello. And it can also do math. So let's say we want it to do 3 plus 2. Then it will do 5. See? So you calculate. Now variables. So instead of you could do var hot dog equals, no, stop that. Just do a hot dog. Okay, so here's this thing. You have hot dog is 4. We have 4 hot dogs. Hamburger equals 5. I'm getting this example off of the Def King, watching his Java thing. And then let's say fries equals 17. So now let's say total equals hot dog plus hamburger plus fries. So that should give us 26. Oh, I forgot to, then I tried print total. Oh, by the way, you can't just do print total. You have to just go print total like that. And then I'll do 26. But let's say now, maybe, just maybe, someone eats one of the hot dogs. So now it's hot dog, right now let's do hot dog plus minus 1. So what this is doing, instead of having to do hot dog equals hot dog minus 1, they made it so you can just do hot dog minus equals 1. Same with plus equals. Instead of doing hot dog plus hot dog equals hot dog plus 1. What you do is hot dog plus equals 1. So just minus equals 1. Okay, and start it again. Okay, so I created a new one. So you can do from random endpoint star. What that'll do is you can do rand int. So what rand int does, it's basically random integer. So an integer is obviously any number that has no decimals or fractions. Anything -3 isn't, or 4 is, 4.3 isn't, 4.5 isn't. Okay. So you can do rand int and then parentheses, and then let's do 1 to 3. And then but now that won't do anything. So let's create a variable. Let's say hot dogs equals rand int 1 to 3. But actually wait, you do comma. And then you will do print hot dogs. Okay. Got like a barbecue. 2, 1, 2, 3. See, it's pretty random. So now another thing you can do is you can do from random endpoint star. Just keep that at the start, just in case you want to use it later. Or you can do if statements. So what we can do is hot dogs equals rand int 1 through 3. So then we'll do if hot dogs equals. If you just do equals, then it won't do anything. You have to do equals. It's like comparing it. Equals 1. Then this is like the then and other coding languages, the colon, and then this the enter key. Without this it won't do anything without the indent, but now it'll do stuff. Okay. That's why lining and spacing is lining, like a line, and spacing is very key here. If you do it all in one, it won't work. Then do print you got the least dogs in the private. I don't know how to spell it. off the top of my head. What I do is that I don't want to spell it wrong on accident. 2 equals 2. And you remember the quotation marks. You got the average hot dog amount. And if you get, oh oops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to go like that. And if hot dogs equals 3, then you got the most hot dogs. So then we'll do that. You got the least, average, most. You see, so that's how you do it. Another thing you can also do like, let's say, you can also do like more things like, let's say we want to do a rock, paper, scissors match. Okay? So let's say, we want to do rock, paper, scissors. So print, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Okay? And then, so what it'll do is we'll have a variable. You want to do the variables at the start, and it'll be computer choice. We can sync that down to comp choice equals randint 1, 3, 3. So what that'll do, then we'll do if comp choice equals 1, comp choice equals, not the equals because equals, not the double because we're not comparing here, equals rock. Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Okay, and then what you can just do is you can copy and paste that to the next one. Make sure to remove the indent here. You can make it 2, and then we'll make it paper. And then if you can also, and then you do, if comp choice was 3, scissors. That's my fantasy. Okay. So now, just to test it, we'll do print comp choice. You have to do it after because it runs in a line. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, you know. Oh, sorry, I did that wrong. There we go. I spelled it wrong. Okay, there it goes, gonna work. And then it says rock, you know. So we got 1. Okay, and then we'll do, this is something you can do, player choice. Right at the start, I'll do player choice equals input. So we have to input the answer in here. And then it'll be, why is it like this? Input, and then it'll be string, rock, paper, or scissors, no caps, no spaces. Okay, so then what I'll do, and we'll erase this. Now it'll say if, we'll do if comp choice equals player choice, that means that they're same. See, equals, you know, they're the same. Then what it'll do, it'll print tie. And now let's keep score. So let's make it ties equals 0 right at the start. Wins equals 0. Losses equals 0. So now we have to do if comp choice equals player choice, print tie. Okay, so I cut there. So here I wrote it all. Let me show you what it does. So import random, you don't have to do like from random import star. You just do import random. I forgot about that. And here are the items. So here are like all your choices, right? So is your choice of rock, paper, or scissors. Now use your score equals 0. comp score equals 0. Your ties, number of ties, number of errors equals 0. Errors are just like if you type in the wrong thing. While true, so this means like while while all of this is true. So pretty much just means while it's running. It'll do comp choice equals random.choices items. So it'll pick a random choice. You don't have to do random. It's easier just do it this way. User choice equals input. Enter rock, paper, scissors to quit to exit. So I don't know why that's there. I don't think I meant to do that. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. So now it's an input, right? Okay. So I don't think I said user. Oh, I said it right here. If the user choice equals quit, so if they put the word quit in, it's gonna break, which means it's not gonna like break fully, but it's gonna end. It's just gonna stop. It's gonna stop this line of code. It's just gonna stop working. But if the user choice is the same as the computer choice, it says you tied, and then it's plus equals 1, like I talked about earlier. For the ties. Else statements, else if. So if the user choice equals rock and computer choice equals paper, we lost because paper beats rock, so the computer gets +1. If we get rock, they get scissors, then we win. If we get paper, they get rock, we win, etc. You can just copy and paste that. But else, this is the else. Okay. It's print user choice plus equal. So they put the user choice. Like let's say I put like rock with 2 K's because I spell it wrong. And then it says rock isn't a valid input. Please try again. And then your errors add 1. And then right at the end, when you're done with everything, once you're through with all your plays, it'll say print. You had, it'll say print, not print, it'll say you had this many typos, this many ties, your user score was this, computer score was this. If the user score is higher than the computer score, it says humans rule. If computer score is over user score, computer's rule. If it's something else, then it's a tie. So as you see, if I do like rock, and I'll just do this really quickly. I actually had coding class once to this, and I won like 20 times in a row. It's kind of cool. Do paper, rock. Actually, I remember this strategy. It's kind of random. Oh, serious. And then I can do quit, and then it'll say you had 1 typo, 7 ties, I had 1, computer had 11, computer had 12. Okay, so that is it.